Tired of uneven cooking or missing that perfect smoky flavor in your barbecue? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best smokers for the money on Amazon. Options that deliver great taste, solid performance, and real value without breaking the bank. From electric to charcoal, I'll walk you through what makes each smoker stand out. And of course, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's fire it up and dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick. East Oak 30-inch electric smoker. This smoker offers impressive capacity with 725 SQ in cooking surface. Great for beaching big batches of ribs, brisket, or whole chickens. The side loading with chip tray means you can add chips without opening the door and losing heat, which helps with consistent smoking. You'll also appreciate the digital control panel and built-in meat probe, which simplify monitoring internal meat temps. On the downside, the vertical rack spacing is somewhat tight, so fitting large cuts can require trimming or rotating racks. If you want a hassle-free, electric smoker for outdoor use that handles large batches, this is a very strong choice. Just don't expect ultra-intense smoke flavor or plenty of headroom for oversized roasts. Number 2. My second best pick. Masterbuilt Digital Electric Barbecue Smoker. This smoker delivers strong value for the price. The side wood chip loader is a standout. It lets you add fuel without opening the main door and losing heat, which is a big convenience. The digital controls and ample 710 SQ in cooking surface make it suitable for smoking several racks of ribs or multiple cuts at once. On the flip side, the build materials feel quite light, and the narrow 15 width means larger hole cuts may require trimming or rearranging. If you're looking for an easy-to-use electric smoker with solid capacity and don't mind some compromises on premium build or space for large roasts, this model is a very practical choice. Number 3. My third best pick. Dynaglow Vertical LP Gas Smoker. This smoker offers a huge capacity, with around 784 SQ in cooking space on 4 adjustable racks, so you can smoke a whole brisket and several racks of ribs at once. The 15,000 BTU cast iron burner and push-button electronic ignition make it pretty straightforward to get started and maintain heat, which is especially handy even in colder weather. On the downside, the temperature gauge isn't always super accurate, so you may want an independent probe thermometer for precision. Also, the unit is quite tall and bulky, meaning it takes up a significant space on your patio and may be hard to move once assembled. If you have the space and want serious volume smoking potential, this is a strong pick. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Char-Griller Portable Charcoal Grill. This grill brings some serious versatility at a reasonable price. The 2-in-1 design means you can use it as a standalone tabletop charcoal grill or attach it as an offset smoker box for Texas-style cooking. The 250 SQ in cast iron grates deliver great sear marks, and the easy dump ash pan makes cleanup much easier. On the downside, while marketed as portable, it's still reasonably heavy and bulky, more semi-portable than lightweight travel grill. Also, some users report that the steel is thinner than premium models, so it may not retain heat quite as well or last as long under heavy use. If you're looking for a budget-friendly charcoal grill with added smoker box flexibility and don't mind its size and some trade-offs in longevity, this one's a solid choice. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Weber Smokey Joe Portable Grill. If you're looking for a compact charcoal grill that's easy to cart around, this one delivers. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat well and resist rusting, making it rugged for outdoor use. Its lightweight, portable design is perfect for tailgating, balconies, or beach trips. On the flip side, the cooking area is modest, 147 SQN, so you'll be cooking in batches if it's for more than 2-4 people, and because of its shallow depth, the lid doesn't always lock securely during transport or when the grill is full. If you want a highly portable charcoal option and can live with the size, it's a solid pick. Just don't expect large group capacity. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite smokers for the money? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.